Hey guys, what is this for? It is a halo hair extension. This is going to give some people who don't have a lot of length on their hair an option to add length and thickness to the back of their hair when wearing a topper. Unclip all my clips. No worries about that falling out. I like it. It's a very natural look. But let's go ahead and do what UniWigs suggested to me and try on my Hope topper with this. This one has the same color blonde, I believe, as this hair extension they sent me, except this one has the dark rooting at the top. Okay. Ah. Oh, I see. I have some more fullness back here and length. And I like that. I love it. Okay. Thank you, UniWigs. That is such a smart idea. This is going to help so many people who have really thin hair or are struggling to grow out their hair. Thumbs up. See ya. Bye.